In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix the issue of your Tesla side mirror not opening or folding properly. If you're experiencing problems with your side mirrors, here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve it. First, check for any physical obstructions. Inspect the mirror for dirt, debris, or ice buildup that could prevent it from moving. Clean the area gently and test the mirror again by using the control button inside the car or the touchscreen interface. If the mirror still doesn't open, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause issues with electronic components like the mirrors. Go to your car's touchscreen, navigate to Software Update, and install any pending updates. Next, try restarting your car. Turn it off completely, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple reset can often clear glitches in the system. If the issue persists, manually adjust the mirror by folding or unfolding it with your hand to see if it resets its position. If none of these steps work, there may be a problem with the motor or sensors controlling the mirror. In this case, contact Tesla support or visit a service center for professional diagnosis and repair. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy smooth operation of your side mirrors.